So I have a review slash show and tell on this gorgeous unit that I'm rocking right now from BeautyForever. If you guys are interested in this wig or just interested in checking out their website, I will link all their information down below in my description box and all the details on this specific unit that I'm rocking right now. So with all that being said, let's hop right into it.
I'm just trying to check you out. I'm just trying to see what you about. Let me know what's up, I'm in route. I ain't trying wild to stress you out. Come swing my way for a little bit. I'm just trying to link, it's been a minute. My crib like about 6-ish. Too deep, I'm diving in it. Know it's been a while and I missed that. I ain't trying to rush through the chit chat. I'm trying to get through to you, so give me feedback. Put in work for you, I hope you see that. Cause I need to know.
I did go in and reinstall this unit because the first install that I installed 3 days ago, I had a lighter cap on, which I still have a lighter cap on, but I had it pulled so close to the front that you could see it. So I just wanted to show you guys how the hairline is looking. You can go in and tweeze it, but I didn't do anything. Now, I seen people just brush the hair back, which I'm gonna try that, but I don't know. I just tried to do a little curly type of situation. I'm new to this, but like I said, I think that it is very innovative, and I just want to shout out the hair companies for thinking about the women out there who have natural hair texture, especially the kinky natural hair textures. Now this texture, y'all, giving. Now, if you are a beginner and you don't know how to manage your own natural hair, I don't suggest this for you. But if you are familiar in caring for natural 4C texture hair, then you'll just treat this like your natural hair and you'll be good to go. The maintenance on this wig, as far as like when you want to go in and style it, you're going to need to use water. If you want to achieve a defined curl like this, you can use conditioner, any type of curly hair products, gel, or mousse. Today I used my OhSo leave-in conditioner and I used a little bit of mousse to achieve this look. And I love it so much. Like, it's giving. Do expect to get shedding when you're detangling this unit, but it's nothing too crazy. I wanted to mention that this hair didn't come with any foul smell or anything like that, because I know a lot of people have that concern when it comes to certain overseas companies. Now, Lastly, I forgot the price, but I'll link the price either on the screen or definitely in the description box, because I know a lot of times companies change their prices, and if I have any type of coupon or discount code, I'll leave that either on the screen. Probably I'll leave it on the screen in the description box, so like y'all save y'all coins. Okay, you can straighten it, you can wear it fluffed out, like blown out, or you can define the curl. So it's very versatile, and if you care for this unit, it will last. I could like tell some good quality hair, this is a unit that will last you with proper care. But also, I'm not saying dog your wigs out or nothing, but if you slept in this wig often, and like as long as you're keeping it hydrated, is what I'm trying to say, like she's gonna be around for a while. If you guys made it this far, I'm in a rush. Why am I always in a rush when I'm filming? So that's why I'm trying to talk fast. So if I forgot anything, leave me questions down below, and if you guys made it this far, I would love to have you a part of the OhSo fam. Go on ahead and hit that subscribe button, because me and my cousins, we locked in, and I want you to be locked in with me as well. So go ahead and follow me on my social media platforms as well. I'll link my Instagram and my TikTok in the comment section. Feel free to share this video, give me a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Get into this texture. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, get into this lip too. Bye.